In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and update contacts in Outlook address book. Keeping your address book accurate saves time, prevents bounced emails, and makes it easier to reach the right person when you need them. We'll walk through the exact steps in Outlook on the web, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by going to outlook.live.com in your browser. Once you're on Outlook, head to the People area, which is the Contacts section. You'll usually find People in the left navigation bar. This is where all your saved contacts live, including those you've added manually or saved from emails. Next, open the contact you want to update. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top of the People page to quickly find the person you're looking for. When you click the contact, you'll see their current details like name, email, and any additional info you might already have. To make changes, click the three dots, sometimes labeled More Actions, near the top of the contact card. From that menu, choose Edit Contact. This opens the full editing window where you can update existing fields and add new details. Take a moment to review everything that's already there before you start typing, so you don't accidentally duplicate information. Now add any additional details you want to keep on record. You can update job title, company, department, and office location, or add phone numbers, a second email address, and a physical address. There's also space for notes, which is perfect for contexts like the best time to reach them or how you know them. If you use categories to stay organized, you can apply those here too. Keep entries consistent and clear, and avoid pasting anything sensitive that doesn't belong in a contact card. When you're done, click Save. Outlook will apply your changes to that contact immediately. If you don't see Save, look for it at the top or bottom of the window. On the web, it's typically at the top right. After saving, it's a good idea to glance back at the contact card to confirm that the updates look correct and are easy to read. That's all there is to it. Go to outlook.live.com, open People, choose your contact, use the three dots to select Edit Contact, add the details you need, and save. Repeat this process whenever roles change, phone numbers are updated, or you want to add helpful notes. Keeping your Outlook address book current ensures smoother communication every day.